Hey guys, this is Lars Pearson here with MarineMax on Long Beach Island. I'm standing on a 2023 Sailfish 241 that we just got off the truck. This boat is equipped with a 300 Mercury. It is optioned in white, so it goes great with the new hull color that Sailfish has come out with that you'll see on the underside of this and also on the hull color. So it is matched, which is great, reduces some glare. Standing in the back of the boat here, as you see, this cockpit's got more than enough space for a couple people to move around, whether you're just out cruising or you're out doing some fishing. This back seat's nice, flips up and down, so this way when people are sitting here, you got some nice comfortable seating, but when people aren't, you have a nice thick comfortable cushion to lean up against if you need to grab something off the back or you're fishing. This is a great feature Sailfish does. This thing just goes up and down, so you don't have to worry about stowing a ski tow bar anywhere else on the dock or at your house. There's a live well in the back here with a nice see-through lid. We have our Helm seat here. It's a double wide. You have flip down bolsters on both sides and an armrest on either side. So this is a nice comfortable seat for when you're out on the boat. Standing under the hardtop here, we do have some extra speakers, so this way when you're driving the boat, you do get some of that noise. And then also you have speakers in the back too and the bow, so everyone sitting on the boat can listen to the radio. You have some storage up here in the E-box. Some light switches, and then your normal switches are down here with your radio, your mercury gauge, nice Garmin screen on this, and your mercury controls down here with trim tabs. Now, another great thing is they have storage underneath where you have your footrest here, and they have storage for tackle on the back side of this Helm. Moving up to the bow here, you have a nice seat in front of the Helm as well. And then you have bow seating with cushions right up in the bow. A lot of people love to sit in the bow. It's a very comfortable spot. And you just fold this over to the side to get a nice backrest. And when you don't need it in the way, it pulls up and goes back out. You have storage under both these as well. Insulated, drain overboard. And then storage in the floor. This boat is equipped with a windlass here. So you got your windlass system, pull up cleats around, so it makes it nice to dock. You know, no one's picking up that big heavy anchor. And then you have grab rail, stainless steel up in the bow here too, for safety of your guests. This boat also does have a head compartment, which is under the Helm here. Got your marine head, battery switch. This boat also has an option to have a bow table. So the table clicks in the front of the bow, and this way when you're out hanging out, you can put out some snacks, you can put your glasses down and kind of have a nice little breakfast. Again guys, this was the new 2023 Sailfish 241 we just got in from the factory. If you're interested in this boat or any other boat we have here at MarineMax, give us a call, 609-494-2102. Have a good day.